It's a onesie.
Thank you. I love it. Hey, split it. Can I say my mom's wrapping? What's that?
I don't know. What is it?
She's been asking for pajamas like that.
They're so cute. I know what you got. I know what
What
you
is that?
got. Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
What you've been wanting.
Really? Yeah.
I can hear it.
Yeah, me too.
And it's shaped the same way.
I can't.
Look
Is
at
it fragile?
Just
Okay. Get it out. You put it. Oh, don't. I hope it didn't drop. I know what you got.
Alex, stay back. Stay back, Devin.
Come over here and I want to see.
She got it. She got it.
What was that from Daddy? Come here.
What? Alright, go ahead and scream. You know you're wanting to. Scream.
She's excited. It
Oh,
must be an iPod.
scream. Hey, cover your mouth and scream.
Oh,
I got an iPod too.
this is not right.
You sure about that?
Yes.
Turn it around.
It's
It's an
an
iPod.
phone's an iPod. That's just not right.
Oh, I can't
I've had a phone for 5 years.
Look at him.
believe
Say thank you.
I can't believe it's real.
It's not real. It's a toy.
Oh, really?
No.